Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome you to this session where we're going to look at the ICT, subsidiary ICT paper 3, and actually the UNEB 2025. This paper is actually done by few schools, most especially those with high population of senior 6 students. For example, if the school has many students, they divide those students so that some do paper 2 and others do paper 3. But what you should know, there's no much difference between these two papers, that is between paper 2 and paper 3. They always set the same, the format of these questions is always the same. You must always answer 5 questions. It consists 5 questions. Must answer any 3 questions, and they always set the same format of questions. Like, for example, question 1, they can bring that question like that, then you apply the changes. Then you have question 2, still they ask all the application program, the 5 application programs. That's about Word. Like this one, they ask about that is the publisher. They also, number 3, they asked about that is database. Then number 4, they asked about spreadsheet. Then lastly, number 5, they asked about presentation, or to call PowerPoint. So it's always the same. So this time around, you're gonna start with question number 1, as always. And it was saying, using a word processing program, open the file glb text and save it as your name and personal number. So we're gonna come and check the support file. Now they always provide you with the support file, so let's check it and see what is inside. So these are the files. Inside there are images. These are the images inside. Let's check them. These are the images which were provided in the support file, so we need to use them accordingly. Then what else? There's glb text they have told us to use, and teachers data. So these are the files and images inside this our support file. So we are going to open our folder also, as always. That is James Faizo 511. That is a different person now. So that is the. Then we are going to right click on this glb text. We just copy it and paste it in our folder we have just created. So we are going to rename it with my names, James Faizo 511. That is, then we open it. So this is the text which is there, and they have told us to load it. So let's go to another part B. Roman number 1, insert a suitable title for the text. So before you insert a suitable title for the text, it's better you first go through the content, then you see what it's all about. But basically, according to what is highlighted here, you can easily see that this is about global warming. So the suitable title would be global warming. So that is it. Then from there, format the title with the font size and style different from the one given in the text. So basically, you're gonna try to format it different from what is here. So we can see that in our text there is both Calvary body and Times New Roman. That is the font face, and the sides you can see 12 and 11. So we're gonna try to make it a bit unique. So we can change the font face first. We can use this bar, maybe this impact. No, it's not Algerian. Let's use Algerian. We can increase the font size to around 16. No, let's put at 18. You can even give it a color. However, that was not necessary, but it is good. Then after that, we're going to part C, remove the hyperlinks from the text in the third paragraph. So we are going to come to the third paragraph. This is the first, second, and the third paragraph is here. So basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna highlight this. Then we come to hyperlink. Then we tap there. Then we click on remove the link. That is, link is removed. Then we come and highlight this one. Then we come to link, hyperlink here. Then we just remove the link. That's done. We come to climate model. We highlight it. We come to hyperlink. We come to remove link. Then lastly, we come to emission scenario. We highlight it. Then we come to hyperlink. We remove the link, and that's done. So that is it. Then we come to the next part. That is part D. Format the second paragraph into two columns. So we're gonna come to the second paragraph. This is it. We highlight it. Then we come to page layout. Then after that we click on columns. We wanted to. Then that's done. Then we come to the next part. Apply any highlight color to the words global warming in the first paragraph. So we're gonna come to the first paragraph. We highlight these global warming words. Then we put the text highlight color. We can use any of our choice. We may use this. Then we can also come here. We use the same. The word about global warming in the first paragraph, none. So that is it. So from there we come to the next part. Insert a drop cap on the second paragraph. So we come to the second paragraph where we click on M. Then we come to insert. We come to drop cap. Click dropped, and that's done. Then from there we come to adjust the third paragraph to a length spacing of 1.5. So we go to the third paragraph. We go to the third paragraph here. We highlight it. Then we come under home tab. We put 1.5 as a line spacing size. Then from there we come to change the size to letter and adjust the bottom margin to 2.0 centimeters. So what we're gonna do, we gotta come and click on page layout style. The size here, which is already in letter format. Then we go to margins, custom margins. They want it in 2.0 and the bottom margins, so we're gonna reduce it to 2 centimeters. Then click OK. So we assume that the layout has been done. So from there we're gonna come to the next part, that is the insert an appropriate picture from the image folder and wrap text to tight. So we're gonna come here to insert picture. We come click on desktop. We come to the support file image. Since we are dealing with the global warming, we're gonna come and select maybe this picture. Then click insert. We can put it anywhere. But they have told us to right click to wrap it to tight. So let's first come and click on tight so that it can be placed anywhere. Let's just put here. under source. Now let's put it here. So this is tight, so we can even resize it. However, they have not told us to do that, but let's just make it be like that. So once that is done, then we go to the next part, and that is insert a header of your name and personal number. So we're gonna come and click on this, then we come to insert. Of course, header is here. It's better you select the first, or may use this one this time around. Type which is ISO 511. That is all. So that is our header. Then lastly, save and print your work. So once you are done with editing and formatting your work, you click save, or you click Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S, your work will be saved. Then after that, you come to file and click on print. So this is how your work gonna look like once it is printed. Then you click print here, the work will be, and that's it. So let's meet in the next session when we are looking at number 2. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.